Recently, I happened to read a story about the great painter Picasso. It was a real incident. It was taken place in his life. If we know about this incident, we may have the inspiration. We may think positively that if we behave like Picasso, if we think like Picasso, we may have the greatness. We may have the success as he was or he is having. So, this incident taken place in a market. When Picasso was in the market, he was dwelling in the market because he was searching a thing which he wanted to give to his friends because it was his friend's birthday. When he was dwelling in the market, the people were there. People were observing him, people were talking about him, some were saying hi to him, some were trying to talk with his skill, some were praising his skill or him for his extraordinary skill or his extraordinary art of painting. There was a woman who was also a great fan of Picasso. She was watching him. She thought that she was having a great desire in her heart that Mr. Picasso might or should draw a painting for her. As she was in market, as Picasso was in market, they both not having any kind of thing to paint something. So that a lady hurriedly entered a store. She brought some brush. She bought a paper sheet to draw something on it. So she ran towards the Picasso and she started to talk with him. She initially praised him, and then Picasso was also impressed because she had the most of the knowledge about his painting. So finally she requested him, she said him that it is my eternal wish that you should draw something for me on this page. I have the brush, paint and the paper sheet. So reluctantly he agreed. He take the brush, he takes some paint with the brush, and he tried to draw something. Within 30 seconds he created a masterpiece. She was watching, people were watching, the each and every was impressed, each and everyone was awestruck, each and everyone was startled by the extraordinary masterpiece created within 30 minutes. Each and everyone was trying to praise him, each and everyone was trying to clap for his skill. The lady was also impressed. She was very grateful to him because he had accepted her request. Then, surprisingly, she asked him that, "Can I ask a question to you?" He said, "Of course, why not?" She asked that, she said that you have created this painting within 30 seconds. How is it possible? He smiled. He smiled. His smile was having a meaning. He said to dear, this 30 seconds I have worked 30 years. Means he was trying to say that to draw the painting of 30 seconds, I have strived, I have worked very hard, I have devoted my 30 years of my life to become the master of this 30 seconds painting. She was impressed. She again said thank to him and they left. Now, what we should learn from this? We should learn that if we want to be the master of anything, if we want to achieve the success in life, we should also learn to sacrifice, we should also learn to work very hard in the life. How hard? That we should sacrifice each and everything. We should try to devote each and every luxury at the same time. We should sacrifice those things because to achieve greatness you have to work greatly, you have to show extreme level of perseverance, because without perseverance you may not have the success. At sometimes you may find that it is difficult to get the success very earlier. Some people may have the success at the very first attempt, or some may take up long attempts or numbers of years. So you should not get discouraged. You should try to do what you can do. What is your duty? Your duty is to try to achieve that thing by giving your 100% devotion towards your work, if you work single-mindedly, if you focus on your work, then only you can achieve something great in this world like Picasso. So, one thing should be very clear that 30 seconds is equal to 30 years. It means that you should strive continuously. One day you would reach to your success. If you if you get discouraged, then remember this story, and you would definitely get some kind of inspiration from the great Picasso. Thank you. Have a nice day.